Section 1. The crucial link: diet and cancer prevention. Cancer. It's a word that strikes fear into the hearts of many. It's a complex group of diseases. But did you know that your diet plays a significant role in prevention? What you eat can either fuel or fight cancer cells. Research shows a strong link between diet and cancer risk. Some foods contain compounds that can protect your cells from damage, while others can actually promote cancer growth. That's why understanding the role of diet is crucial in the fight against this disease. Choosing the right foods can significantly reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancer. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed choices that nourish your body and protect your health. By focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods, you can empower yourself to take control of your well-being. Think of your diet as your shield against cancer. Every healthy choice you make is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant future. It's time to ditch the fear and embrace the power of food as medicine. Section 2. Building your defense: key components of a cancer-fighting diet. Let's break down the essentials of a cancer-fighting diet. It's not about complicated rules, but simple, sustainable changes. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants. These powerful compounds neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Choose whole grains over refined options. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and helps remove carcinogens from the body. Limit processed meats like bacon and sausage. They often contain preservatives linked to an increased risk of cancer. Opt for healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats provide essential nutrients and support overall health. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and supports your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every small change you make is a step towards a healthier you. Start by incorporating one or two of these changes into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Your body will thank you. Section 3. Evidence speaks: expert opinions and research findings. The link between diet and cancer prevention is not just a theory. It's backed by extensive research. Leading health organizations worldwide, including the World Health Organization and the American Cancer Society, emphasize the importance of a healthy diet in reducing cancer risk. Studies have consistently shown that individuals who consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains have a lower incidence of certain cancers, including colorectal, breast, and prostate cancer. Dr. David Servan-Schreiber, a renowned oncologist, states, "The evidence is undeniable. A healthy diet is one of the most powerful weapons we have in the fight against cancer." Research has also identified specific compounds in certain foods with potent anti-cancer properties. For example, lycopene, found in tomatoes, has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. The powerful antioxidants in berries have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. The science is clear. Your dietary choices have a profound impact on your cancer risk. By adopting a healthy eating pattern, you can significantly reduce your chances of developing this disease. Section 4. Real-life champions: stories of prevention through diet. Meet Sarah, a vibrant woman who made significant dietary changes after her mother's breast cancer diagnosis. She embraced a plant-based diet, rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Years later, Sarah remains cancer-free, a testament to the power of preventive nutrition. John's story is equally inspiring. After a colon cancer scare, he completely overhauled his diet, ditching processed foods and embracing lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. John credits his dietary changes with not only improving his health, but also transforming his life. These stories are not isolated incidents. They represent a growing trend of individuals taking control of their health through dietary choices. By incorporating the principles of a cancer-fighting diet, these individuals have reduced their risk and inspired countless others to do the same. These real-life examples demonstrate that prevention is not just possible, it's a powerful reality. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can empower ourselves to live healthier, more vibrant lives. Section 5. Practical steps: incorporating cancer-fighting foods into your daily life. Transitioning to a cancer-fighting diet doesn't require a complete overhaul overnight. Start by making small, sustainable changes. Add a cup of berries to your breakfast or swap sugary drinks for water. Experiment with new recipes and explore the world of healthy, delicious cuisine. Make fruits and vegetables the stars of your meals. Aim for at least 5 servings a day, incorporating them into every meal and snack. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined options. Experiment with different types of beans, lentils, and legumes for plant-based protein. Limit processed meats and opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, and tofu. Cook at home more often so you can control the ingredients and cooking methods. Ditch the sugary drinks and embrace water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages. Remember, every small step counts. Focus on progress, not perfection, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier you. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier, cancer-free future. The journey to a healthier, cancer-free future begins with the choices we make today. By embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing this disease. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about the link between diet and cancer prevention. Explore reputable sources of information like the American Cancer Society and the World Health Organization. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's family, friends, or online groups. Share your successes, challenges, and recipes. Together, we can create a ripple effect of health and well-being. The power to prevent cancer is within your reach. Make informed choices, embrace a healthy lifestyle, and savor the journey towards a brighter, healthier future.